Hey, I am going to review of Bajaj new Shakti Storage 15-liter vertical water heater. Rust-proof external body. The outer body of the heater is made with single weld sheet metal that prevents rust and increases the life of the water heater. Swirl flow technology. The swirl flow technology ensures 20% faster heating of water and saves energy at the same. Suitable for high-rise buildings. With 8 bar pressure, the water heater can withstand pressure up to 8.0 kilograms per centimeter square and is well suitable for high-rise building. Titanium armor technology. A special inner tank coating that prevents corrosion and rusting and results in a long tank life. Energy efficient. The energy-efficient Bajaj Calenta storage water heater is sufficient to fulfill your daily requirements of hot water. Some other features. Glass-lined coated inner tank. 2 kW heating element. And 4-star rated. For more information, link given in description. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe now.